Hi, I'm Vanessa.
Hey, and I'm Katie. We're here to show you how to join a Zoom call on your laptop, your smartphone, or your tablet. So are you ready, Vanessa?
Absolutely. I'll be the host of this scenario as Katie joins the Zoom call on her laptop.
So I want to join a book club, but I'm not sure if it's a secure program. What if someone hacks it? Or what if I make a mistake and everyone notices? I think I should ask a librarian for help.
Hi, I'd be glad to help you. First, know that a Zoom call is a safe way to participate in library programming. Only those who register or ask for the Zoom link will be on the call. As the host, I will be monitoring the Zoom call to make sure nothing bad happens.
Okay, great. So I got this link in my email. Do I just click on it?
Yep, you click on the link with your mouse and run Zoom. You may be prompted to open Zoom. Join with your audio and make sure your camera is on.
Okay, great. So I'm still muted. How do I fix that?
So you're going to click on the microphone icon on the bottom of your screen. If you're muted, there will be a slash through the microphone. Click it again to unmute yourself.
Okay, great. So now I have working video and audio. I'm in the call, but my laptop died. I forgot to charge it.
Oh no.
Can I join the call on my smartphone or tablet?
Absolutely. The process is very similar. First, click on that link again in your email app, either on your smartphone or tablet.
Okay. All right, but I don't have the Zoom app installed. Do I just go to the App Store and install it from there?
That's correct.
Okay, so I downloaded the app and went back to the email app on my phone. I'm clicking the Zoom link again, and I have working audio and video. So I'm in the call. Thanks.
Great. Do you have any other questions?
I do. I see other people with really cool backgrounds, and I want to turn one on to hide my messy house. How do I do that?
So that's easy. If you're on a mobile device, tap More on your device, then tap Virtual Background. You can choose a stock photo or add something from your library. If you're on a laptop, click Settings and then Virtual Background.
Perfect. Now it looks like I'm chilling at the beach. Yes, much better than my messy house. Thank you.
Wonderful. We've discussed security, joining a call, using the mute and video buttons, and changing your background. Is there any other questions?
No, that's it for now, but it starts in 5 minutes, so I better go. Bye.
Have fun.